In this video, we will draw a king chess piece freehand with color pencils. We will begin the outline of the king with the cream color. The cream color is a light color, so we'll use it as a guide and draw over it later with darker colors. Using a black cherry color pencil, we will begin the darker outline of the king. The king is a noticeable chess piece because it has the shape of a crown at the top, usually with a cross or some kind of decoration in the center. After sharpening the pencil, we will continue the dark outline with the black cherry color. Again, you see the scrap piece of paper under my hand. This helps to keep the drawing clean. At this point, we started to use dark umber color to lightly shade the inside of the king. We are adding shadows and shading to help define the areas that are dark or in shadow. This in turn helps to define the shape of the object as perceived by the viewer. Keeping with the freehand theme, the shadows or value are personal aesthetic choices rather than using a real chess piece set up with lighting for reference. I continued to darken shadows and add more value. To finish the drawing, I kept darkening and defining the edges with a sharp pencil. Looking back, I'm okay with how this king turned out. Like most of the other chess piece drawings, the shadow in the middle did split the object in half again. And as mentioned in the other videos, a softer shadow could have likely helped with the illusion that the shape was a little bit rounder. And again, the cream, dark umber, and black cherry colors create a somewhat monochromatic combination for this freehand king chess piece. I'm okay with how the king turned out individually, but it's really adding consistency to all the other chess pieces that were drawn previously. As always, I'm really glad that I'm able to share the drawing process with you.